chair.
Come on, look at it. Ta-da.
Ta-ta.
Move the chair and pull it out.
Thank you. Oh,
Look at the size of that.
wow.
What's it say on the card?
Feel it. Oh, sharpener. Already built. Thank you very, very much. It says Nicholas Cook. 3.
From who? E.
It's one. EB.
Who would that be?
Who? Huh?
Easter.
Bun. He's the bun. Huh? Here's the bun.
No, what did he put in that basket?
Some other goodies. Like, oh, you put this in the water. You know the alligator thing we had? Just like that. Huh?
What is that?
Chicks you can eat. But I like the giant pants of the back. Can I write something with a white now?
Yes.